Here I have Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to the more mode here, select slow motion, and now we can record something in slow-mo. So what I'm going to do is to just roll this toilet paper in a slow-mo. I think it's gonna look cool. So here we go. I record it and then I will show you how it looks like. So let's get it. So now let's watch how it looks like. So here we go. Whoa, this toilet paper is so cool. Like, it looks like just in my favorite action movies. Unbelievably cool. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.